I came back to adjust the stovepipe hole that was going out. Earlier I put this foil sticky tape on it, this thick foil tape. Then I came back and added hardware cloth, this wire mesh that has small holes that hopefully doesn't let the mice come through if they were to chew through the foil. And I just stapled a one by one piece before I put the insulation on the top of that. I was trying to put in a joist enforcer plate, which is really two plates intersecting, and I was able to put one there, one set there. I still have to put the screws in that side. It's kind of blocking me from using the drill, so I'm gonna have to find a hand tool to do that. So that would be fine, but I was trying to do the other one here as well, but I won't be able to do that now because the electric wire there is not gonna allow me to fit it. But that's fine. I mean, I was trying to overdo things, I think. Those were existing holes here, they're not new. This one was a little big. It was like a square originally. It was probably more than 3 inch. So for that it was kind of important for me to do something. So that looks good. Looking for towel rack. So it's gonna be easier to install that. Your bedroom, I added some blocking for TV and some shelves maybe, depends, but anyway, this is what that looks like. Those are just 2x4s.